Hello folks. Okay, I said I didn't like the 8-spoke chrome wagon wheels and the big grippy tires that were in the truck originally, so I ordered from Scenes Unlimited some of these, and I don't know how well you can see them. They're an 8-lug wheel, 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. I got some worn hubs with them, and Firestone Radial ATX tires. If you can see, the hubs are in there somewhere. There's 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive locker hubs in there as well. Beautiful 8-lug wheel and a nice tire. It's nice streetable. It's not the big grippy thing that comes in the Firestone Superstones 4x4 truck. So it's yeah, I added some neat stuff from Scenes Unlimited to this truck, and buy with confidence. Danny does a great job at Scenes Unlimited, and I gotta say Scenes Unlimited again because I keep saying it, and the more I say it, the more it goes into your brain and you buy stuff. Scenes Unlimited. It's like an advertising joke. Anyway, that's the wheels and tires, and I'll show you. I'll mock them up in a second. And I'm still going on the chassis and stuff, and I'm trying to figure out this floating transfer case, but I've got a lot of stuff grouped together, and the bed rails done in the truck, in the box. And here you go. I've kind of mocked up the ride height a little bit. Yeah, actually the Scenes Unlimited tires are slightly taller than the kit tires, so it fills up that wheel well a little better, and it looks more like a work truck than it does like a fun truck. So yeah, I think it'd be adjusted slightly, but that's the ride height. Within a couple of short hairs. So, and I also managed to get some color down on the 78 Ford 4x4. You see, with the engine, everything's just kind of shot in blue. I do that. I'll assemble everything, and then I'll pick out the colors that I need to later. So, distributors there, oil filter, everything. I'll pick out those colors later. Same with the chassis. If there's a couple of things I need to pick out, I'll pick them out. But I got color down, some color down anyway. Still working on the body.